Hey guys, so I will show you how to fix Roblox lag on PS5. So in the first step, what you have to do is simply select game, then choose option, then more option. From here, then select settings, and we need to enable cross-platform play option from here. It's recommended. Then you need to press PS5 button from your controller, select home, then press option button from your controller on the game and select close game. Once you're done, then what you have to simply do is choose settings, then select users and accounts, select other options on the right side, choose store licenses and select store. This will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Then once we're done, we need to go back to the main settings and then select network, choose settings on the right side, select setup internet connection. Now you can choose your wired line or Wi-Fi connection and press option button from your controller to access advanced settings as well as Wi-Fi frequency band. So select it and choose automatic from here and then select advanced settings. Then you can access DNS settings from here if you want to enable it to access primary DNS and secondary DNS. Then simply select DNS settings and change it to manual. Then you can access primary DNS and set it as 1.11.1 and in the secondary DS at 1.1.0.1 address. Once done, just go down, enable empty settings and choose manual to access MDU and add here 1150, or also you can add here 1472. Okay, now select. This will take a few moments to complete the process. Then what you have to simply do is you need to restart your PlayStation, and there your problem will be solved. So just comment down below and let me know if it's solved. Thank you.